welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious, spicy and tasty prawn gravy. Let's see the ingredients. I've taken 4 cinnamon sticks, 6 pieces of cardamom, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and 1 tablespoon of stone flour. We also need about 20 shallots or small onions which is finely chopped, 3 tomatoes which is finely chopped, 15 garlic cloves which is crushed, 5 green chilies which is slit, a few curry leaves. Today I've taken 2 kg of prawns which is cleaned and deveined. We also need the coconut milk of 1 coconut. I've taken the first and the second milk. Now let's take a pan. In the pan, let's add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Today I've used the normal refined oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Now let's add the other spices, the cinnamon, cardamom, the fennel seeds and also the stone flour. Let's also add the chopped shallots or small onions and the crushed garlic. Now let's add the green chilies and the curry leaves goes in. Now stir fry all the ingredients. Stir fry them till the onions are nice and golden brown. Now at this stage, let's add the chopped tomatoes. Today I've taken about 3 large tomatoes which is finely chopped. Stir fry all the ingredients till the tomatoes are nice and soft and mushy. Now let's add sufficient salt and also add about 2 tablespoons of chili powder. You can alter the chili powder according to your taste. Now let's add a little water for the tomatoes to cook well. I'm adding about half a cup of water. This helps the tomato and the onions to cook well. Now stir fry it and wait till the tomatoes and onions are well cooked and nice and mushy and soft. Let's close it with the lid. Now it has been cooking for about 5 minutes. Let's check the tomatoes. You can see that our tomatoes and onions are nice and mushy. At this stage, let's add the prawns. The prawns usually cooks very fast. So mix all the spices together and let's add the second coconut milk. Let the prawns cook in the second milk. Now finally let's add the thick and creamy coconut milk or the first milk and also add some tamarind juice. I've taken about 1 gooseberry size of tamarind and extracted the juice from that. Let's add the tamarind juice. Now you can see that our prawns is well cooked. Check the seasoning. This gravy is a great combination with rice. It also goes well with idli, dosa or chapati or even hoppers. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and serve hot. That's it friends, our delicious prawn gravy is ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.